Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today, we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on March 10, 2026, just yesterday. It introduces the first reinforcement learning framework that allows vision language models to self-evolve their reasoning skills from scratch, entirely eliminating the need for human-curated seed images. The paper is titled MM0, Self-Evolving Multimodal Vision Language Models from Zero Data. And as we will see later, the framework shows some really striking performance improvements, with significant implications for the future of self-improving autonomous artificial intelligence. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Alright, Figure 1 breaks down the MM0 framework, which uses 3 roles sharing a single base model. First, the proposer generates a text description alongside an easy and a hard question. Then, the coder translates that text into executable code to draw a synthetic image, like this bar chart. Finally, the solver answers the easy question to verify the image, which rewards the coder, and then tackles the hard question to generate its own training labels and adjust the proposer's difficulty. Okay, with the framework in place, Table 1 details the overall performance gains. Looking at the middle section, the QN3VL8B instruct model improves significantly. Its average score climbs to 54%, and this happens entirely without human-curated images. The MIMO versus L7BSFT model at the bottom shows an even larger jump, reaching a 56% average. These gains span general visual understanding, math, and hallucination tests, which proves the self-evolving process successfully builds complex reasoning skills. So, moving from those final benchmark scores, Figure 2 tracks the internal training dynamics across 60 steps. The solid blue lines show the coder's render success rate, which steadily improves as it learns to generate executable code. Meanwhile, the dashed orange lines track image solvability, meaning the generated visuals actually contain the necessary information to answer the paired questions. Notice how the larger 8B and 7B models on the right climb much higher than the 4B model on the left, which highlights how a stronger base model accelerates this self-evolution. Figure 3 now illustrates the qualitative improvements driving those rising success rates. The top row tracks the coder's evolution, starting on the left with a cluttered, overlapping chart from the base model. By iteration 3 on the far right, it successfully renders a clean, complex, stacked bar chart. Meanwhile, the bottom rows illustrate the proposer's progress. As the visuals improve, the generated hard questions transition from simple value lookups to complex, multi-step calculations that demand much deeper reasoning. Well, after seeing those visual examples, Table 3 breaks down what happens if we remove key parts of the reward system. The middle section removes the solvability and difficulty balance reward. Without this check, which ensures questions are neither too easy nor impossible, the model resorts to reward hacking by simply embedding answers directly into the images, and its average performance stalls out at 52%. Then, the bottom section shows the impact of removing the content diversity penalty. Without it, the model overfits by repeatedly generating easy-to-render charts, like simple histograms, causing its overall average to drop down to 49% by the third training step. Wrapping up, 2 key takeaways stand out. First, vision language models can successfully self-improve without relying on human-curated image datasets. Second, bridging language, executable code, and visual reasoning paves the way for fully autonomous multimodal intelligence. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.